my students. Are you ready to learn new lesson today? Very good. So now I have a question for you. Have you wondered why there is day and night? Are you wondering why there's a changes in our day and time? Like at this moment, the time is 10 o'clock in the morning, and after 12 hours, it will become 10 o'clock in the evening. What do you think is the cause of these changes? Or why are we having this daytime and nighttime? Then we will find out because we'll be discussing about these changes. So our topic today is all about the rotation and revolution of the Earth. So before that, let's have first define Earth. I know that you are very familiar about Earth, right? So what planet that we are belong to? It is the planet Earth, correct. So everybody read. Earth consists of land, air, water, and life. The land contains mountains, valleys, and flat areas. The air is made up of different gases, mainly nitrogen and oxygen. The water includes oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, rain, and snow ice. So this is our planet Earth looks like. So Earth consists of water and land. So as you can see, there is a blue color and a green color because the blue color is the water and the green color is the land. So our Earth consists of 71% of water and 29% of land. So imagine the part of our Earth is the largest part of our Earth is water. So let's move on to the two movements of Earth. It is the rotation and the revolution. So let's have first the rotation. So when we say rotation, it is the movement of the Earth on its own axis. So when we say axis, it is the imaginary line or the invisible line around the Earth which object rotates or spin. So the direction of its rotation is from west to east or counterclockwise. So I have here a ball. Just imagine this is a globe or Earth. So I'm gonna show you how the Earth rotates on its axis. So it is said that it rotates from west to east. So this is how Earth rotates on its own axis. So from west to east. So that's it. It takes 24 hours or 1 day for Earth to make a rotation. So Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours only. So 24 hours is equivalent to 1 day. It's because there are about 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of nighttime, which make one whole day. So I have here a flashlight, and just imagine that this is a sun and this is planet Earth. So the cause of the changes of day and time is because of the rotation of Earth. So when the sun hit the Earth, the portion that the Earth is facing on the sun while rotating on its axis can experience daytime. So the other half of the planet didn't receive sunlight will experience nighttime. So do you understand? Let's move on to revolution. It is the movement of Earth around the sun. It revolves around the sun in a counterclockwise direction. So imagine that I am sun. So I'm gonna show you how the Earth revolves around the sun. So while the Earth rotating on its own axis, it's also revolving around the sun. So this is how Earth revolving around the sun. So that's it. So it takes the Earth a year or 365 and 1/4 to complete its revolution around the sun. So why 1/4? Why there is 1/4 is because the 25 days is every 4 years. That's why February has 29 days. So this is what we call the leap year. So there is 365 days in 1 year. So now let's move on to the movement of Earth can also cause to have 4 seasons. So we have the summer, winter, autumn, and spring. So in Philippines, we only experience one season, and it is, you can answer, summer, correct. So summer season is the warmest season of the year. So this is the hottest season. So in Philippines, we only experience this kind of season. So what month in our country, what month we experience summer? It is the month of April and May. So this is the time when people do picnics, swimming, and other activities that can be done during summer. Another is the winter season. It is the coldest season of the year between autumn and spring. So as you can see, there is snow because it is coldest season. So autumn, season of the year between summer and winter, during which temperatures gradually decrease. So this is also called as fall season. It's because as you can see, the leaves are falling. So this is the season for change, transition. It's because just like the tree, when the leaves fall, a new leaves will grow and bloom. So in real life, it is to start life with full of positivity, just like that. So spring season is the season of the year between winter and summer, during which temperatures gradually rise. So this is the time for flowers will bloom at this season. So as you can see, there are flowers that blooms beautifully. So that's the end of our lesson. Is there any questions and clarifications about the topic? None? So if none, I will be the one to ask questions. So what is the importance of having day and night time? It's because having a day and night time, there are various activities that could only be done during that time. Just like today, morning, what would be the activities that could only be done during daytime? Like playing recreational activities outside, just like that. So how about nighttime? Studying. So how about the importance of having season? Yes? Yeah, it helps us understand the passage of time. Just like in our country, Philippines, during April and May, people may plan activities just like having a summer vacation, swimming, planting rice because it is a summer season, right? So, how about how long does it take for Earth to rotate on its axis? It is 24-hour or 1 day. How about how long does it take for Earth to complete revolving around the sun? It is 1 year or equivalent to 365 days. So my question is, if you are 5 years old today, then how much long does already revolving around the sun? It is 5 years. So why 5 years? It's because revolving around the sun is 1 year or 365 days. So since I'm asking you that if you are 5 years today, the answer is 5 also. So if you are going to convert it into days, so how many days to Earth already revolving around the sun? It is 1,825 days. How did you get 1,825? By multiplying 365 to 5. So thank you for your cooperation.